Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I want to share with you my latest organization helper, and it's these awesome mesh bags from Sooez. Now, you may wonder, what am I going to do with them? But the answer is literally absolutely anything and everything. These bags come in a pack of 20, so you have plenty to go around all the spaces in your house. What I love about them too is the great size of them. They're slightly larger than a letter size sheet of paper, and they can truly fit so much in here. Now, my main purpose for these bags was to help organize some of our game items and other just miscellaneous toys that we may have, but I found so many other uses with these inside of our home too. You can see here in one of our storage areas where normally I would maybe be able to fit 3 or 4 boxes of activities. I actually have 9 different bags here that I have condensed down from outside sources and other boxes. Using these mesh bags, they all line up so nicely, and I still have room that I could add a couple more. Now, with those in just the regular boxes, I would have never fit all of this in this small storage area. And I can also tell what's inside each one of them. Now, they're not completely see-through. They are semi-transparent, which I actually really like because it gives it a really nice clean look. These bags can be used for so many things around the house too. So whatever your imagination goes, you can put inside these bags because they are so large. Now, I'm not sure, I didn't count how many pieces of paper here, but this is just a standard letter size piece of paper. And look how nicely and secure this paper fits in here. So it's even really great for document storage too. These mesh pouches from Sooez are an organizer's dream, and that's my point of view.